How to deactivate Facebook account or how to delete Facebook account. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Facebook app on your phone. Tap on menu that is on the bottom right corner. Then you want to tap on settings on the top right. On the top under Meta, you want to go ahead and tap on Account Center. Now here, go ahead and tap on Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Now you want to go ahead and tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select the account. Now, if you want to deactivate, tap on Deactivate Account, or if you want to delete, tap on Delete Account. If you deactivate or delete your account, these pages will also be deleted or deactivated. Now here you have to give the reason why you want to deactivate or delete your account. Then you want to go ahead and tap on Continue. Here again, you want to go ahead and tap on Deactivate Account if you want to deactivate, and scroll down to the very bottom, tap on Continue if you want to delete. After you tap on Continue, you'll be asked to put the password right here, and then you want to tap on Continue and your account will be deleted. So that is how you can delete or deactivate your Facebook account. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.